Hello students, in our last video we have learned how to count the beads and how to draw the beads. Now in this video we are going to learn how to do additions. Before learning additions we should know the rules of the abacus and how to keep the numbers on the scale.
Rules of abacus. Placing of abacus scale. Always place the abacus scale on a flat surface. Holding of abacus. Always hold the abacus scale in your left hand with little ring and thumb finger. Holding of pencil. Always hold the pencil with your right hand, little finger, ring finger, middle finger, like a gun. Thumb and index should be used to move the beads. Clearing of abacus. Hold the scale with your left hand and hold the answer bar with your right hand, thumb and index finger and move from right to left at one go. Value of cleared abacus is 0. Moving of beads. Addition of lower beads is done with thumb finger only. Subtraction of lower beads is done with index finger. Addition and subtraction of upper beads is done with index only. For only one purpose we use thumb, that is for adding lower beads. Before keeping the numbers, first we should clear the abacus scale. 1 with the thumb, 2 with the thumb, 3 with the thumb, 4 with the thumb, 5 with the index, 6 with the butterfly fingers. Thumb and index together are known as butterfly fingers. 7 together with butterfly fingers. 8 together with butterfly fingers. 9 together with butterfly fingers. These numbers, the 6, 7, 8, 9 are also known as butterfly numbers because we will be keeping 6, 7, 8, 9 with butterfly fingers. So they are called butterfly numbers. Now we will start additions. Children, do you know what is addition? Yes, addition means putting the numbers together. In abacus, addition means putting the beads together. Open page number 1414. Now we will start additions. Hold the abacus with your left hand and hold the pencil like a gun. Hold the answer line and clear the scale. Now 1, 5, 1, 1. 1 with the thumb, 5 with the index, 1 with the thumb, again 1 with the thumb. That is, now what is the answer, children? The beads which are touching the answer line, we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads are touching the answer line. So our answer is 8. Now look at the second one. 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Hold the pencil like a gun. Clear the scale. 2 with the thumb, 5 with the index, 1 with the thumb, again 1 with the thumb. Now how many beads are touching the answer bar? That gives us answer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads are touching. So our answer is 9. Next. Again, clear the scale, children. Before starting every sum, we have to clear the abacus. 2 with the thumb, 1 with the thumb, 5 with the index, 1 with the thumb. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads are touching the answer, so our answer is 9. 5, 2, 1, 1. Hold the pencil like a gun and clear the scale. 5 with the index, 2 with the thumb, 1 with the thumb, again 1 with the thumb. So what is our answer? 9. Count the beads, children. Count the beads and write. See here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Look at the next one, children. Clear the scale. 1, 1, 2, 5. Now how many beads are touching the answer line? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Look at the last row, first one. Hold the pencil and clear the scale. 5 with the index, 1 with the thumb, 2 with the thumb, 1 with the thumb. So our answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the answer 9. Look at the next one. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. Again, hold the pencil and clear the scale. 2 with the thumb, 1 with the thumb, again 1 with the thumb, 5 with the index. Now how many beads are touching the answer line? Yes, 9 beads are touching. So our answer is 9. Look at the next one. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1. Now clear the scale. 1 with the thumb, 2 with the thumb, 5 with the index, 1 with the thumb. So what is our answer? Yes, it is 9. Next one. Hold the pencil and clear the scale. 1 with the thumb, 1 with the thumb, 5 with the index, 2 with the thumb. So what is our answer now? Yes, it is 9. Practice more sums in additions. Okay children, bye. We'll meet again in the next video.